I gotta get your opinion on the heavyweight division right now.
Yeah.
You've got Anthony Joshua fighting Vladimir Klitschko, Parker to the WBO, WBC, Deontay Wilder. For you, who is the main heavyweight champion? Who is the main leading guy in the division at the moment?
The main leading guy right now has problems. He's not there. So, you know, it's great that all of these guys are up there. You know, it's really, you got to put them all together now and say, okay, well, go in a room, you guys stay in there. I'm going to turn off the light and let the winner come out. You know what I mean? So I know who's going to come out.
And who's that? Do you want to say his name?
Yeah, he's big. And that's his name. He's strong too.
Then I was reading an article yesterday when Joshua did his press conference in New York recently, and people were talking about how Anthony Joshua seems like he's the second coming of Muhammad Ali. Just want to get your reaction, because I know you grew up of an era not too far after Muhammad Ali. What do you make of that statement first?
Okay, who made the statement?
It was in the Telegraph.
Yeah?
It was in the Daily Telegraph, and
but let me tell you, he's good looking, so that must be part of it. He's good looking, float like a butterfly. He stings like a wasp, not a bee. So you know, they're pretty close, but I would say they're off by the butterfly dance. I don't see the butterfly dance.
But where do you rate Anthony Joshua?
He's
Is he still yet to have a test, or is he proven himself in his 18 fights and 18 KOs?
Well, obviously the test continues throughout life, you know. With me, they used to say, well, he can't take a punch, he has no stamina, he doesn't throw enough jabs. I used to listen to that and then go and prove them wrong. You know, Colin Hart used to say that, oh, I'm going to lose. I used to want to prove him wrong and beat everybody. As far as Anthony Joshua, you know, where he's going to go, it's really up to him. Right now he's determined he wants to be the champion of the world, and that's his main focus. You don't see him out partying anywhere or anything like that, so he's focused on what he needs to do. This is a big fight for him. You know, I think it's the right time for him because Tyson Fury has already shown that there's a chink in Klitschko's armor that, you know, he's beatable. So Anthony Joshua should feel confident, go out there and do what he knows best, and that's box and throw that big, powerful right hand and see if he can catch Klitschko on the chin.